guys, welcome to my channel and happy 4th of July. Oh, I'm driving into my apartment and it looks like someone's throwing out some trash at the dumpster. Actually, I don't want any of the trash. Okay, so I pulled over to stop and get 2 medium heavy duty boxes. I have not announced this yet, but we are looking to purchase a house. And then I found this basket and one of these Made Smart containers, which I believe you can get at Target. And then this fabric basket, which would be perfect for underneath of a bed. This sign, Ross. I shop at Ross. This spatula looks like it was never used. Looks like it's got some serrated edges and a bottle opener. And then this glass bowl still has a price tag. Napkin rings and this bowl. Real pretty. Weird that they all have the same color, but I took them. I don't care. Might not use them, but I got them for free. What did you get? Did you get a box from Chewy? Let's see. Let Mom. Uh-oh. I think he got a 10-pound box of bones. Oh, home run! Maldonado! Okay, let's get some scissors. There he is. Who's happy boy? Home run for the Astros. Hold on, sweetie. Go ahead. Get yourself a bone. Is that your birthday present? Tank's gonna be 7. Look at that. What? All right, so I went to HTO earlier today and I drank that. Extra tasty. I'm gonna just wash my hands. Came back from a walk. I'm gonna put a lot of ice. Ice is kind of stuck. Push this down so we get some more ice. And then walk over here. And I just ran to Aldi and I got some more raspberry lemonade and iced tea with lemon. I'm gonna pour them in. I'm gonna make some myself. I'm gonna just pour the whole packet in of both because I get the sweet tea, no sugar, and the pink lemonade, which has no sugar, at Sweet HTO, and neither of these have carbs. And I do just drink water from the tap, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some ice cold water in there, fill it up. And I'm just reusing my lid. Well, it should be tasty. And look at what I got at Aldi. I wanted these when they put them out about a month ago, but they were $4.99, and I just couldn't bring myself to spending $5 for something that I didn't know, you know, how much I would actually use. But so much stuff has gone on sale, like 90% off at my store, because they have been pumping stuff out weekly in the Aldi Find section. And I decided to pick this up for $1.49, not much more than what I would pay at the Dollar Tree. And I noticed that there's some coloring pages. They have all the brands from Aldi in here. And I believe, yeah, there's also some like Find the Peanut Butter cups, color by numbers. Oh, I'm gonna be making a cheese board later. Crossword puzzles, a maze, all different types of activity books, bingo. Wow. So I'm happy I finally got this and I didn't have to pay $5 for that. All right, so now I'm eating another snack, and I just wanted to share these with you again. The Chobani Flips, red, white, and poppin'. It's lemon flavored yogurt with like Pop Rocks candy, but I'm gonna open it up because the candies inside are like almost like yogurt coated, and they're really, really delicious. So all you do is just flip the candies in there and just enjoy. So I hope you get to try these out. The lemon yogurt is really good just on its own, and then the candy pieces are popping in my mouth right now, are really delicious. I've seen these at Walmart, and I did pick these ones up at Aldi, so they'll have them for the next week or so, depending on how long they stay in stock with the shipment that they got. And I've seen Walmart with them for a couple of weeks now. And in honor of the 4th of July, I saved this one for today. Hopefully I can get a couple more to last me for the rest of the summer. I have a pimple right here in my eyebrow. That kind of hurts. But I don't like to get all fancy to film these YouTube videos. I want to just kind of pick up the camera when I feel like it during my day. So you're actually seeing the real me. I wear bandanas like almost every day. It keeps my hair out of my face. My hair is actually in a braid today. And it's too hot right now in the summertime to do too much styling wise. So, and I never want to come on camera and make things unrealistic for people. I want to just be as real as possible. Sometimes I don't enjoy watching the YouTube channels where the girls are all wearing a full face of makeup and cleaning their house. Like, that just doesn't seem realistic to me. I mean, I know I am on camera right now and anyone could be watching this, but this channel is meant to be more authentic. So I don't know. I hope people enjoy that. It's just the way I am. If you see me out and about on the streets, this is how I'm going to be. So I just wanted to come on here and say that and wish everyone a happy 4th of July.